iPad 9 generation, how you can record your screen. Okay, so right now that's what I'm actually doing. I'm recording my screen so I can show you where you need to go to record your screen on your iPad. So all you need to do is to swipe down, and here you'll see the record button. As you can see right now, is recording. When you want to record something, you just need to tap on this record button right here, and if you hold this button for a few seconds, this will appear. And why you need to do this sometime, not sometime, and most of the time probably, when you want to record, you might want to have your microphone on. So just tap no enable microphone. You see here microphone on. Just if it's off, turn it on. If you want to record with your microphone, right? And also, we also have in control center, we can add in control center, which is here where you see the applications, because you might not have in control center the screen recording. So if your screen recording is removed, is not here, is not right, as you can see right now, we don't have the screen recorder in this tab or control center. I don't know what it's called, but here you can't see the screen recorder anymore. So what you need to do is to go to control center, and here you need to tap on this plus right here, screen recording. Please do that. And now here we have the screen recording, and if you want to move it closer, now we have it first right here, and if you want to add more controls, you can add it from here. So that's gonna do it, guys. That's how you record a screen that's how you record your screen. That's how you screen recording on your iPad. I hope this video helped you. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos.